It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, or online at westerngmcbuick.com. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Envision Avenir. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Envision. The driver's door has power locks, a programmable memory seat, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button. Down below we have the hands-free power programmable power lift gate, where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. Door storage, and you'll notice this Envision comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the heads-up display button and information tab, as well as some lighting controls and dials. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support and the massaging seat feature. Leather interior, Avenir embroidery in both headrests, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have our audio controls. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the toggle on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. Up next is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. To the left here is our engine push start button. Simply apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to turn the vehicle on. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats. We've got some USB ports and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Just here we have the auto stop start button, hill descent control, lane departure alert, traction control, and park assist. Electronic precision shifting alongside 2 cup holders, the park brake, and various drive modes. By pushing that button there, our options will appear on the dash. We've got sport mode, off-road mode, tour, and all-wheel drive. At the front of the Envision, we have LED headlamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, the rear window wiper, and the hands-free power programmable lift gate with logo projection. I'm going to open up that lift gate using our key fob here, pushing that button twice. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, a cargo cover, LED lighting, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below with a spare tire. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has heated rear outboard seats, the rear fans, USB ports, and a power plug-in. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're also able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Envision Avenir, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.